Hi everyone, Melanie here from Balloon Artworks, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a balloon snake. It's a really easy balloon animal to make. So first, take a 260 modelling balloon. I've fully inflated this and I've let a little bit of air out so it's nice and soft. So first of all, twist off a bubble that is about 5 fingers or so, okay? And then twist off another bubble that is a very similar size. Okay, bring the two together, grasp hold of the knot and nozzle and twist these two bubbles together. Okay, take the knot and nozzle and pass it through the centre there because that's just going to help ensure that those bubbles don't come undone. Give your balloon a little squeeze and then we want to make another bubble that is just ever so slightly bigger than the first two, by maybe ½ an inch or so. Okay, so twist that and then bring all the bubbles together and we're going to pass this bubble through the centre of these two bubbles. And this is why it's important that these bubbles are really soft, okay? Because that's going to help reduce the chances of this popping, okay? So just part these bubbles, and as you do so, just pass that third bubble through the centre, okay? And that's what we've got. And that's what we call a roll through. Before we go any further, I'm going to draw the eyes onto this little chap. And for this, I'm using a Sharpie permanent marker pen. This is a fine point, okay? So I just draw diamonds for the eyes, okay? And then just fill that in. So it's really important that the face that you're drawing is quite quick to do because this is a really quick and easy line work design. That's what you've got. And you could leave it at that, but I like to just give a bit of a brow line there. Next, make a small bubble here in the neck of a couple of fingers, and we're going to pinch twist this. So what I want you to do is just fold the balloon over, pull this bubble upwards and twist it round. Okay, twist it round a few times and then we're just going to push the top part of the snake's head in between these two bubbles here. So we just want to do that a little bit, okay? Just angle it out. Get the angle that you want, and that's just going to help hold your snake's head in position. With the rest of the body, we can curl this round because we want the snake's body to have a little bit of shaping to it, and we're just using the warmth of our hands to massage the balloon and help create a curve in the balloon, okay? If you want more of a curve, then put some tighter curls in and just massage back and forth, whittle, and it's just the warmth of your hands and the movement of the latex. You're just massaging that until you get a shape that you're happy with. Be sure to pop the like button and I'll see you again for the next lesson.